Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to assemble this product, Newton disc. This product based on application of light, where 7 colors of light can be mixed together to make a single white color, and it's a very beautiful project. In the product you are getting this wooden cutout, toy motor, cell holder, 7 color disc, a rubber band, and this manual which is having detailed description about theory of the project and how to assemble the project in stepwise with photographs. Okay, let us start. Now to assemble the project, first of all we are going to assemble the base. So for assembling the base, you are supposed to insert these 4 studs, out of which 2 are bigger, 2 are smaller, into on the board like this. Okay, now when you are doing this, if you feel these are very loose, that time you can apply rubber bands to make it firm. Apply rubber bands like this, and in case if you feel that it's very hard and it's not going inside, that time you can apply wax over here on these edges, candle wax, and then you insert it. It will be easy. Then at the end, this is the stand. You're supposed to insert it in the center hole like this. Okay, and now again apply one more rubber band from below the stand. Step number 2, take the toy motor, insert it in this motor hole. While doing this, these are the 2 connecting pins of the toy motor, which should come up on the front side. Okay, on the front side, so that it will be easy for you to do connection. Now this is the 7 color disc and it is having this connector. So insert this connector on the shaft of the toy motor and just check it is freely moving. It's moving freely. Okay, so almost assembly of the project is done. It's very simple. Last part is, now as we said, it is a motorized Newton disc, so apply batteries. Now for putting batteries, this cell holder is provided in the kit, but we are not providing cell you have to purchase on your own. Open the battery, insert 2 AA cells. AA cells are required for this cell holder, and put it again. Okay, now release the release paper from this sticky tape, and you are supposed to paste it on the back side of the project like this. Now do the connections. It's very simple, and your project is ready. Okay, on the cell holder, with which you can just switch off and switch on the project. Okay, now you can see the 7 colors are getting vanished when this disc start rotating, and this is an example of persistency of vision. Okay, this is an example of persistency of vision.